Hello everyone, good morning. So today we are making 3-ingredient soft serve ice cream, and no ice cream machine is needed for this recipe. This is a very old school retro recipe. You could technically do it with a hand whisk, but that would take forever, so let's just not. So the ingredient list for today is very simple. It is 1 can of condensed milk, 1 pack of whipping cream, and about half a cup of plain white sugar. You can also add any flavorings that you want. In this case, I'm gonna make it vanilla bourbon flavored. And with that, let's begin. This is a very simple, straightforward recipe. I started making this recipe here because soft serve isn't really that common to find in Portugal and is by far my favorite type of ice cream. So first we're gonna start with our pack. This is about a cup's worth of heavy whipping cream. And now we are going to whip it and slowly add in our granulated sugar to create as many air bubbles as we can. Fun fact, because of the sheer amount of air that is in soft serve ice cream, it is not technically considered ice cream in the United States. Go figure. And now we're going to want to whip it up until more or less it reaches like the very soft peaks consistency, where it just barely falls off the whisk when you lift it out of the bowl. What you didn't see in this video were these several minutes of just standing here holding this whisk, which is why I said manual whisks are not the way to go for this unless you have a lot of patience or want to get a really good forearm workout. So in one of my previous videos, a friend of mine messaged me and asked me if I could speak some Portuguese in one of these videos. And so here it is for this video. Então esta receita para os meus amigos lusitanos vai ser um pacote de natas cremosas, meio copo de açúcar, vamos bater isso tudo aqui até ficar com as pontas moles. Depois vamos adicionar uma lata de leite condensado e a seguir a isso vamos adicionar quaisquer outros sabores que queiramos. Neste caso vai ser baunilha e whisky. E depois vamos acabar por bater isso tudo mais uma vez antes de ir para o frigorífico. I hope that pleases my Portuguese audience. Rate my Portuguese in the comments. So now we're going to add in our 1 can of condensed milk, along with any flavoring that you might want. I already snuck it into this bowl beforehand. Once again. Okay, now that we're done whipping and our ice cream mixture is all set, we're gonna put it in the fridge, covered in plastic wrap for about 2 or 3 hours at the minimum. Overnight is even better. Be right back. All right, it's been a few hours, and as you can see, our ice cream has formed into this beautiful soft serve. It has the proper consistency and everything. Tastes like my childhood. This reminds me of eating in every Cracker Barrel that existed when I was growing up as a kid. The only other thing I'm going to do to this is I'm going to add some strawberry topping to it. Just to add a little bit more to that already very rich vanilla bourbon flavor. Oops, that was a can in the bed. And there you go, vanilla soft serve ice cream. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. See you around.